Hereby, all the assessments of post-COVID-19 is going on. We are analyzing our economy on the basis of the current scenario where we have the developments of the paving path towards manufacturing sector standstill for few time but recovered in next phase. The moment they have entered into the market, they have the objective to attain surplus production to deliver while having the essential supply chain management. So here warmly welcome you in new phase of learning statistics because this is a numeric and number expression. Assessment is based on quantity produced, quantity required, quantity have to be delivered in which specific region and how it will be delivered, how it will be packed, everything assessed over here, but it has few limitations. It falls short of our expectation. It lags behind due to some reasons. Check it out. Where we will discuss limitation of statistics. ऐसा क्या पॉइंट है जो स्टैटिस्टिक्स की कमी बनकर उभरता है?
Scholars warmly welcome you in new learning segment of statistics, and we are discussing limitations of statistics. बेटा statistics की limitations है. As it is a number game, it has an identity of the numbers and then it marks you the limitations due to this feature only. The prime feature of the limitation is that it marks you with the term numeric data. Firstly, numeric data. सारा numerical है इसमें. Then this numeric data avoids, इसको क्यों हम problem मानते हैं? Because it avoid qualities. It avoids qualities. ये क्वालिटीज की बात ही नहीं करेगा, इसीलिए बेटा ये नेगेटिव फॉर्म है. क्योंकि हो सकता है दैट इकोनॉमी इज नॉट परफॉर्मिंग गुड, द कंडीशंस आर नॉट गुड, बट इवन द वर्किंग कैपेसिटी, वर्किंग पोटेंशियल से तो अच्छा डिलीवर कर रही है, देन इट इज इग्नोर्ड. Because numeric numbers are matter. It's all number game. Second, aggregate of facts कह सकते हो या aggregate facts कह सकते हो कि ये one by one नहीं डील करती. It will going to study you whole. It is a study of whole. सबको इकट्ठा देखेगी तो इंडिविजुअल मैटर नहीं करता. यानी कि हो सकता है कोई एक फर्म बहुत अच्छा कर रही हो. सपोज एन एग्जाम्पल, IT सेक्टर ऑफ दिस कंट्री इज डूइंग ट्रिमेंडसली गुड इन योर पेंडेमिक COVID-19. डिजिटल कनेक्टिविटी है, दैट वी इग्नोर, बट हम क्या कहेंगे? GDP इज नॉट वर्किंग, GDP इज नॉट गुड. जबकि एक सेक्टर हमारा इकोनॉमी का बहुत अच्छा वर्क कर रहा है, उसे आइडेंटिफाई नहीं करेंगे. हम कहेंगे ग्लोबल इकोनॉमी इज इन क्राइसिस, इंडियन इकोनॉमी इज इन क्राइसिस. Might be one sector is very performing excellent, extraordinary, magnificently good. So then aggregate facts होने की वजह से इसकी स्टडी होल है, तो अवॉइड करता है ये इंडिविजुअल कंट्रीब्यूशन. अवॉइड इंडिविजुअल के लेवल पे अवॉइड है, तो इसीलिए ये खराब है. क्योंकि भाई हम सबको तो सही नहीं कर सकते, जो सही चल रहा है उसे तो सही मेंशन करना चाहिए ना. देन थर्ड वन, it marks you one word, homogeneity of data. The word seems to be very big to you, and then this word mark you with the identity of same information. अगर information same नहीं है, same information needed, same information same होनी चाहिए, बिल्कुल same या uniform in nature, यूनिफॉर्म इंफॉर्मेशन, यूनिफॉर्म डेटा होना चाहिए आपका, तभी आप उसे कंपेयर कर सकते हो. होमोजेनिटी मीन्स टू से सेम या सेम नहीं है. सपोज करते हैं हम सेम नहीं है, यूनिफॉर्म नहीं है, तो देन इट कुडंट बी कंपेयर, देन इट इज वेस्ट, योर इंफॉर्मेशन इज यूजलेस. देन फोर्थ पॉइंट एंड द मेजर एंड द मोस्ट क्रूशियल वन, results. Drawn on average basis. हर चीज की एवरेज है. then it marks you the problem कि every time we do not need average. Sometime we need initial point, sometime we need external point. Then the main last one, need references. Need references. क्योंकि बेटा अगर आपने कहीं से ये डेटा लिया है देन यू हैव टू गिव रेफरेंस बिफोर ड्रॉइंग कंक्लूजन्स. ये सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है यहाँ. इट मार्क यू दी वन टर्म विच सेज कि आपने ये इंफॉर्मेशन ली कहाँ से है. बिकॉज यू आर असेसिंग होल कंट्री देन यू नीड एवरी पॉइंट टू बी डिस्कस्ड इन डिटेल. यहाँ से जर्नी स्टार्ट होती है न्यूमेरिक डेटा से, जो एग्रीगेट फैक्ट्स है. उसमें हम क्वालिटीज के साथ कॉम्प्रोमाइज कर जाते हैं. तो हमारी सारी पढ़ाई किस चीज की है, सारी स्टडी किस चीज की है, सारी कंट्री की. क्वालिटीज उसमें इग्नोर्ड है, देन इंडिविजुअल का कंट्रीब्यूशन भी इग्नोर्ड है. फिर सारा डेटा सेम होना चाहिए. कई बार कोई चीज ज्यादा एक्सीलेंटरी एक फील्ड में होती है, दूसरी में उसकी एक्सपर्टाइज नहीं होती. बट वी नीड होमोजेनिटी, यूनिफॉर्मिटी इन डेटा. देन वी ड्रॉ एवरेज बेसिस, देन वी हैव रेफरेंसेस. तो हमें ये सब कलेक्टेड होना चाहिए, तब स्टैटिस्टिक्स वर्दी है. अदरवाइज इट इज नॉट वर्दी. देन दिस अकाउंट्स टू दिस लिमिटेशन. ये प्रॉब्लम्स हैं. ये क्या है आपकी प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ स्टैटिस्टिक्स. प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ स्टैट्स कि सब कुछ नंबर है एंड एवरीथिंग इज नॉट नंबर. Sometimes you have to account the potential as well. So with the Zoom board look, we are closing down for today.
Because of variation of region, variation of quantity assessment provides us the basics and then emerged as behind horizon for the statistics. Statistics modern time का crucial tool है जो हमें average को decide करने की मदद देता है, but इसकी few limitations है because it is research instrument which is based on aggregative study of numerical expression. It delivers you numbers. It needs the common uniform medium to assess data. It provides true results but on average basis. That is actual picture which can be attained, but it is based on average number presentation. It is not actual one on the ground reality. It can be used by experts because it needs specified knowledge and a trained staff mechanism to deliver, to collect, to organize every bit of information. Statistics is a number game. Prominent point here is numeric terms, which are expressed in form of quantitative. It do not marks the presence of quantitative to qualitative assessment. It marks only quantity assessment. यहाँ पर सिर्फ क्वांटिटी मैटर करती है, कितना है, कहाँ है, कैसे है, कब मिलेगा, कितने टाइम में मिलेगा, मतलब सब कुछ नंबर्स. There is no honesty, there is no quality wise assessment, there is no patriotism, expertise, judgment, you can say friendship, loyalty, devotion, nothing matters which is in quality. It is ignored totally over here. So this problem couldn't be overcome ever because numerical data couldn't assess your feelings, couldn't assess the quality of work. They can only mark the quantity. So the aggregative fact, it is studying all unit and region together. It do not marks the particular unit presence in itself. It is numerical assessment of every region, field, but it do not mark single individual or single firm. It present overall picture and with homogeneous form of data, which means uniform and same quantity assessment unit. It will going to be compare only and only if same volume unit is given. It can be only judged if and if it has same units in quantity. Diverse data, diverse information available with us, but it do not have the quantity comparison only because it marks the different unit. So comparison of overall will not be possible in statistics. So statistics limitize us with the homogeneity of data, aggregate of facts and numeric terms. Then these results are concluded and they are found on the basis of average only, because we have broader tendency to follow हम सारी ऑब्जर्वेशंस को ध्यान रखते हैं, हमारा सबका नज़रिए में एक वेरिएशन है, सो इट हैव एरर, इट चांसेस, इट हैज़ अ प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ बायसनेस। ये भेदभाव भी कर सकती है, हर चीज़ को अपने हिसाब से देखती है, बिकॉज इट मार्क्स रेफरेंसेस and these references can be conclusive, but if used very minutely with each and every point aspect with a great study of research is possible. Circumstances and conditions prevails, they have to meet out as our expectation and it has variation. जब information collection है, analysis है, implementation है, program assessment है, organization है, everything marks the expert knowledge. Everything marks the presence of trained professionals. So it can be used only and only by expertise. And when the person makes the use of statistics, it is just like a weapon. And then unqualified person is not suitable for having the assessment from the statistics. So it is just basically going to be prone to misuse, because we are running a blind race to collect the results from available information, and we have organization analysis, and then we are laying out the economic policies and plans. So if it went to wrong hands, if it went to wrong house, it will be just prone to misuse. It is very common pre-drawn conclusion. It can be used as God and evil as well. In overall conclusion, we can say first one thing: statistics is best weapon to have economic forecasting. It is best essence to have the deliverance of conclusion on the past observations. It is a great tool for research and development work, but somewhere it lags behind. As every coin has two aspects, somewhere its importance and somewhere it lags behind limitation. So statistics is a numeric term which can be handled by the experts, can be presented in any form, God or devil. It's just prevailing condition and circumstances. It is average based result conclusion. So hereby with this note we are concluding it for today.